Hey, it's Richard Light and Gadget, and here we are. This is the Oppo Find 5. So, as the name says for itself, it is a 5-inch phone, but the panel, the LCD panel that is, has a 1080p resolution, so making it 441 pixels per inch density. Very sharp, and it's hard to see in the video here, but we can assure you guys that it is very, very crisp and very awesome. Just the same as those panels we've seen on the Droid DNA and the Jade Butterfly and Butterfly. So the phone itself is also powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon S4 Pro APQ 8064 quad-core chip. Wow, that's quite a mouthful. But so again, it's one of the top-of-the-range system-on chips you can get right now. So it's got awesome graphics as well. And so you can see the UI here. You can't actually see it, but it's running on Android for Jelly Bean, let's say. And but obviously they've done some customization here. And at the presentation earlier, they were actually going on and on about how much effort they've put into making their own icons very crisp looking for this display here. Now you guys can't see it, but there are actually 3 capacitive buttons below the screen, but I think they're still working on a bug, so the backlight isn't working. The front-facing camera here is 1.9 megapixels, so very adequate. On the left here, you can see a power button and a slot for the micro SIM card. At the bottom here on the right is a micro USB port, and then on the right here are the volume rockers. On the back you have let's just get into the focus. The back here is a 13 megapixel camera with an LED flash, and the camera itself is pretty awesome because it's actually one of the first phones here to have hardware HDR, meaning you can take HDR in both photos and video. So that's pretty much the surprise of the day. And we're not sure about color availability, but the phone itself will cost about the same as it will in the US, so about $499 unsubsidized, and it should be out in about a month's time, so check it out. Oh, by the way, since we have the other big phones here, you can see the phone, the Find 5 is at 8.8 millimeters thick. So we've got the Oppo Finder on right here, so obviously it's not quite as thin as its predecessor, but it's certainly pretty much thinner than, well, it's about the same as the Xiaomi Phone 2, and then there's the Meizu MX2 there. So for a quad-core phone and 5-inch device, it's done a pretty good job at keeping it slim. Obviously, a lot of these features are software-centric, so we shall wait till we get hold of a review unit at some point in a month's time. So basically, stay tuned.